Let's say you have a problem. Why accept it when you can change it? There's a problem-solving process that's used all over the world to create meaningful change. This process is called design thinking. Through DT Philly, we're going to help guide you through this process so you can design something to impact your school or community. When you begin, the solution will not be apparent. But that's how the process starts. You begin with a question, not an answer. There are 5 key steps that you'll go through. Here's an example of how it works. Our question is, how might we boost moods in our school? We begin with empathy, so we can better understand how the people affected by our design challenge feel, which will help us relate to their needs. From empathizing, we may find out that students feel gloomy being inside all day, and that they feel better and more energetic when they can go outside. We'll then define our problem to really explore our challenge. We'll be able to really understand our topic by talking to experts and observing and interviewing users. From defining, we may find that greenery can boost people's moods, and it has other benefits to learning and behavior. Next, we'll take what we know from empathizing and defining to create as many solution ideas as we possibly can, with everyone on our team, not just one idea created by one person. After we ideate, we may come up with ideas like adding skylights to our classrooms, or turning the classroom walls into jungle-like spaces. We may ultimately decide that making a classroom garden wall is a solution we want to work towards. We take our idea and prototype it. We get to make this design over and over until we get it to work the way we envisioned, and then we may even change it a little bit more to make it work better. This isn't a one-shot deal. We'll take as many tries and iterations as we would like. Prototyping may show us that the garden has to be on a wall that gets sunlight. And after making another prototype, we may see that we need to add a watering system. This prototype then gets tested. We'll build a small garden wall in the math classroom to see if the design works the way we expected it to, and to make sure it's something our users want, and see if it boosts their moods. After you go through this process, you'll have a design solution that meets the physical, mental, and emotional needs of the user, fits in with the existing circumstances and systems, is a new, creative solution built from a wide pool of ideas, has been made in various ways with multiple iterations to get the very best version, and was tested in the real world to show that it works and it's something users really want. Are you ready to design something new?